Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select a specific or different rows in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and click on this Google Sheet rows serial number and this one already selected. Now press Ctrl key from your keyboard. Now click other rows and see this. These two rows already select. Also select this one and this see this three different rows already selected. Now you can change this rows border color. I will change green border. Now I will apply and see this three specific rows already selected and rows color already changed. Also I select this one and last one. Press Ctrl key from your keyboard and click and see this and make this pink color and apply and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.